Привет.
Hello everybody.
Это абусы,
These are ABUS
однорядки,
locks, single row,
двухрядки,
double row. These
французские
are French BRICARDs.
брикарды. Ну, это копия CISA Astral.
This is a copy of
Однорядный абус,
CISA
еще один
Astral,
брикард.
single row ABUS, another BRICARD.
CISA Astral. В общем, все
CISA Astral.
цилиндры с
In
похожим
general, all
профилем.
cylinders have a similar profile.
На все эти цилиндры
There
есть
is a universal
универсальный
decoder for all
декодер.
these cylinders.
Сразу показываю.
I will show you right away how small it is. It fits in the palm of your hand, very small. The only thing is that a tensioner is screwed on the side here. In short, a loader, a tensioner to load. The manipulator is thin, the needle is thin, it has a small stiffener, the handle is made specifically for a finger. Literally, we work with two fingers. Both tension and manipulation are very easy. This is not the best tool, but it is the smallest and very versatile. Depending on the company, for example, some ABUS will be easy to open or a BRICARD will be easy. CISA will be harder to open depending on the locks, on the brands. Some will be easier, some will be harder. It varies. Of course, it also depends on whether someone knows how to work with it or not. Insert it all the way. Start the manipulator. Very light tension, light pressure. This was French BRICARD. Now I'll try a regular single row ABUS. Here is the same, very light tension. Well, I won't waste more time. As I said, not the best tool because there is a more convenient tool, but it's bigger, more expensive, etc. What's the advantage? It is universal, fits in many places, and it is very small. Literally fits in the palm of your hand. So the price will be on our website. The link is under this video. Bye.